How to get the Paris, Oslo, Lagos effect on TikTok. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So let's show you how to do it. First we want to go to our TikTok app, and then from here you want to go to the discover button, which is at the bottom of the page, and search for no filter effect. So this is the first method, no filter effect. Click on the effect and then hit on the try this effect button. So there is another method. We just have to go back, and right here we have to search for Paris, Oslo, Lagos. And here we have the sound, and you just want to click on use the sound, and that's it guys. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can comment down below your thoughts, and if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Have a great day. Bye bye.